Hello everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Okay, so we are before the holidays and right now with all the corona situation, I decided to every day bring up another video about products that you can actually purchase and you can come and pick up from the shop. And I would like to help and make it easy as possible. So today we're going to start with entry-level rock crawlers. So without any further ado, let's start, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So, when you're looking at entry-level rock crawler, the first thing that you should look at gonna be the Redcat Racing. Now, those three vehicles are a little bit different. Now, the one in the center is sold by Redcat Racing, but it is not a Redcat Racing product. This is company called Denchi and it's called Ridge Rock. And what's cool about this vehicle, it's the price point there, but between 120 and 140. It's kind of depend where you buy it and what you buy it with. And it's a front and rear steering electric rock crawler, and it's a very flexible, very cool vehicle. Then at the same time, if you want something a little bit better, you can go with a Redcat Racing Everest 10. Those running for between 160 to 180. Now, this thing have an old version of it that sell cheaper online, but the servos on it are bad servos usually that they got replaced. Redkit upgraded those, and couple other problem that you might experience. So please pay attention and buy it at the shop. Sometimes you're a little bit more money that you pay in the shop going long way. Consider that you get a better product and you get warranty for replacement parts. Now, this rock roller is aluminum. The frame is all aluminum versus this one that is all plastic. Now, this one called Everest 10, and it's coming two different colors. And then there is this guy. This guy is the Everest Gen 7 Sport. And as you can see, I put the wheels one on top of the other, so you can see a little bit the clearance. And it's actually pretty cool. It's anodized steel frame. And this is the sport version. The sport version don't come with all those accessories that the other vehicle have. I'm going to show it in a second. But again, at a price point of about $220 or so, this is a great vehicle because everything already in there. You get those nice beadlock tires that you get on most of the Redcat Racing crawling. You have nice shock suspension system inside. And of course, it's come with a great warranty that Redkit give you for 90 days on all the electronics. And if you buy it at my shop, this is something important. I have all the parts for them. And we only sell those parts to customers that purchase their vehicle in our business. We supporting the people that support us. If you purchase it on eBay or Amazon, tough luck for you. We're not going to sell you any parts. The customer that give business to us are more important than you. So the parts that we have over here in stock are going to go to the people that purchase from us. Now, the three crawler that we have here, those are the basic entry-level rock crawler. Of course, there is other rock crawler, there is different prices, there is different brand, but I decided to go with those because they are the entry level. Now, when you're looking at the Everest Gen 7, the Gen 7 have a Pro version that is kind of like, if you go real quick with me, it's right here. This is the Everest Gen 7 Pro. That what they did, they actually add in this roof rack over here. There's a spare tire that it's actually a tire. There's all those fuel jug and all those kind of like extra accessories that they did on it. And there is a jack, and there is those cool shackles on the back over here. And it's even come with a number plate and all the nice stuff on it. But again, this is cost another $60 to $80 more for all those accessories. It's also have this mud guards, and you have some more parts inside. Now, when you're going to get something for the holiday, try to get whatever will fit your budget, because between this and the sport version, you can actually do the upgrade later. For example, On this version, you can see this is not an LED light. This is just a plastic with a shiny chrome piece, but we do have like actually LED light for this that I'm gonna do in a video later on. So just so you know what you want. Now, if you want any other vehicle, we are fully stocked for you guys, for our customers. We have it from right now, from the Arma vehicle to the Team Lossy. We have kind of ECX, we have Team Associated, we have everything, all the brands. We have Speedrun Buggy from Arma. We got everything you want. We are full-size hobby shop. And one of the things that you should be careful is all those places I see in every corner, someone think that is a hobby shop, start lately selling stuff. Be careful on those people. They're just gonna take your money and you're never gonna get any warranty or anything. I see this, we're in Los Angeles, a lot of people in downtown suddenly selling RC car from car washes, from gas station. Do not give all those people money, because you're not getting a deal, you're getting ripped off, because the product that they have most likely is a knockoff and you're not going to get any parts or service for it. So for the $10 you're saving, you're going to cost you another $50 in damages later to repair it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage for motoStyles Shop. We are located at 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California, zip code 91344. Don't forget to press the bell icon. My next video most likely going to be about some cool LED light we got. Bye.